Meaning of gold rush.
Gold rush.
Gold rush.
Gold rush.
Gold rush. Gold rush refers to a rapid influx of people into a region where gold has been discovered, with the aim of finding and profiting from the precious metal. This term gained prominence in the 19th century during the California Gold Rush, when thousands of hopeful prospectors flooded into the state in search of gold deposits. The resulting frenzy led to significant social, economic, and environmental changes within the region, including increased population, the creation of new cities, and the depletion of natural resources. The legacy of the gold rush also includes the cultural myth of striking it rich through hard work and determination.